What if your important PDF file ends up in the wrong hands? Whether it's your bank statement, legal document, or a personal file, you can easily password protect any PDF file using your Android phone. Here is how. Download the Systweak PDF Editor and Scanner app from the Play Store. Open the app and tap on the Protect PDF option. Tap on Open and choose the PDF file you want to protect. Now you will see two options. Password to open the document. This means no one can open the file without entering this password. Second is owner password. This controls who can print, copy, or edit the PDF content. Choose the option based on your need. Then create a strong password and confirm it. After setting the password, tap on Done. You can either overwrite the original file or save it as a new protected PDF file. Now close the PDF and try opening it again. It will now ask for the password you just set. This Android app also lets you edit PDFs, scan documents, add signatures, insert watermarks, and of course protect your files with passwords. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more such helpful tech tips.